Tired of sharing videos on Google Meet only for people to hear silence? In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to share any video with sound perfectly so everyone hears it loud and clear. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. When we are using Google Meet, we can share our screen using the Present Now button on the bottom row. We have the three options to share from: Chrome tab, window, and entire screen. However, to share audio, you realize that you can't do it on window or entire screen option. You can only share audio from the Chrome tab, which effectively means that you can only share media or content which are online. So what if you want to share videos with audio which are on your computer or locally? The trick or workaround here is to use Chrome tab to access your computer. So how do you do that? On your Chrome tab, click on the address bar and type in file, and // So what this does is allow Chrome to access your computer. So it doesn't matter if you're using a Mac or Windows PC because the index should be pretty familiar to you. For Mac users, if you want to access your files, say on your desktop or other folders, click on Users and then click on the name of your user account and you can see the parent directory. Here I have my desktop, documents, downloads, folders, etc. But if you are using a Windows PC, you will have to add in the drive which you want to access, which could be C or D drive. So for example, on your address bar, key in file, // C:/ and then enter. Similarly, if your files are on D drive, you just have to replace the C with D. So let's say I have my video files that I want to share residing in my downloads folder. Then I search for the video file I want to play and you can see it playing on my Chrome tab. So now back on Google Meet, when you click on the Present Now option under Chrome tab, you have a tab that shows your video, which is basically the tab that is accessing your computer. As we all remember, you can only play audio from your Chrome tab. So since your file, which is on your computer, is now on the Chrome tab, that means you will be able to play audio from this file. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and